Eating Jacks on Errand Day. Number 10, spicy chicken, french fries. And let's not forget about the iced coffee.
Calling all campers. Money Games begins September 14th on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus.
Discover the perfect show to spice up your summer.
Peace of mind. AAA's legendary roadside assistance is a network with over 50,000 vehicles that respond.
They still forget the cheese. Even if you said one without cheese, they assume that the other one is without cheese. I said no, everything on it, and they still mess up. Oh well, what can you say? Just eat it up. There are reasons sometimes you want to skip the fast foods, but when you're doing errands such as with your mom, and she wants to eat something, and she's worried about you eating something, but you had something that you wanted to eat later on, you wanted to try something else, so your appetite just went topsy-turvy, and sometimes it just doesn't work out because sometimes they just get things wrong. Every time you go to a fast food place, I still think sometimes they don't think. This is twice this happened, that when there's a double order and it has something to do with cheese or whatever, you said cheese, no cheese on one and cheese on another. But they assume. I don't think cashiers or whoever takes the orders, because sometimes they are cashiers, sometimes they do both, that they should assume that it's both. If they take the time to listen, or just listen for the one. If I didn't say the same thing on the one that I said on the second, then that means they both are not the same order. My car is showing 80 degrees today, but it's actually 90 degrees when I go on Google. It is very hot outside. Let's go see if the nature center is open. It's tough going up these stairs. And yes, I'm awfully tired. 9-degree heat. I found some shade. I didn't want to drive too far today. I had planned to drive earlier, but after you do errands and you eat a big meal, even the Starbucks lines, oh, there's a spider web. Even the Starbucks lines are too long as far as going through the drive-thru to get something extra to eat. Or should I say something extra to drink? I'm not really hungry. Like I said, sometimes you want to do something else. So you have to go back to the place that was your beginning and YouTube again. San Dimas Nature Center. There's a barn owl. And this is the only mule deer. Laying down, enjoying himself. And this is the great horned owl. All these animals are protected in some kind of way because they've been injured.